Welcome to Shining Candyland with KimchiRednecks. So, gonna be a quick one today, but Melissa decided she wanted to do another infusion, so we've got some little jars with sugar shine set up here. Currently, this is 5 ounces, or this many milliliters, of
sugar shine.
105 proof sugar shine. That's what I got on the jar, at least, anyway.
So, I bought Jolly Ranchers. Apparently, I bought too many. I didn't know we weren't going to do that many, but okay. So here we go. So we have cherry, we have grape, we have green apple, and we have blue raspberry. We decided not to do watermelon because we have watermelon brandy.
And it's probably better.
Yeah. So, although technically we could probably throw those watermelon ones into the watermelon brandy and it might be better. I don't know.
Who knows? But, so, the idea is we are going to take...
3.
She wanted to do 3. I thought 2 was enough, but
I think 3.
We got plenty.
We're going to start with 3.
And we're just going to dump these in some shine.
And y'all, we don't have to label these.
They ought to be rather apparent.
We might know which ones are which.
And see how difficult that was?
And then I'm just going to swirl a little bit. Although it looks like they went straight to the bottom and stuck.
They probably did. So this is, like I said, 105-ish proof. So I figure in 2 or 3 days, these ought to pretty well dissolve. And
then we're going to taste them and determine whether or not we want to add a little bit more or not.
So we'll probably see y'all in about 5 or 6 days. All right, we are back with Jolly Rancher Shine. So we found out that the 3 Jolly Ranchers that we originally put in here dissolved pretty much overnight. Within 2 days, they were dissolved into the shine. So we tested them at about 3 or 4 days, and there was a little bit of flavor to it, but not much. So we doubled up. We now have 6 Jolly Ranchers in each one of these jars for 5 ounces, or 200 mils of alcohol. So we're going to give them a little taste test here. We're going to start off with the green apple. All right.
Is it appley?
It doesn't really smell appley. It just smells like the neutral spirit. Well, there's a faint hint of green apple Jolly Rancher to it, but okay. That's still got a bit of heat, but I do taste green apple Jolly Rancher in it. So
Do you taste green?
I taste green. This I would probably recommend tempering down a little bit to get some of the heat out for your regular drinker, unless you just like hot liquor, but it does taste green appley. Next up is the flavor blue. I think it's supposed to be blue raspberry. Everybody knows the colors in Jolly Ranchers aren't real fruit. So, still no strong smell about it. This one has less heat than that one did. And you can taste the blue raspberry. So this is a little more approachable. At least at the 105 proof it was when we put it in the jar. Whatever it is after 6 Jolly Ranchers, I'm guessing about 100 proof. But that's more approachable. And now for the color purple. So this one has an actual smell to it. This smells like grape Kool-Aid, actually. It looks like grape Kool-Aid. It tastes like grape Kool-Aid with a kick. Ooh, that's rocket fuel. Yeah. Woo. That one's still got all the burn of the original alcohol. That one might be more burny than the green apple was. But it has a definite grape Kool-Aid taste to it. No lie. And now the color red, which I believe is cherry. This has kind of a cherry syrup smell to it, but not a really strong one. Okay, this one actually, I think this one might have the least heat to it on the tongue. And it's got a mild cherry flavor. It's not like artificial, like cherry Coke, cherry Dr. Pepper cherry. And it's not medicinal, like cherry NyQuil cherry.
Is it as good as our cherry brandy?
It is not as good as our cherry brandy. But it does taste of cherry. Yeah, that is a successful experiment, y'all. You can take neutral spirit, be it vodka or sugar shine or whatever, throw some Jolly Ranchers in it, and get a flavor party pack. So if you're having a cookout or a pool party or whatever, and you just want to taste the rainbow, you can do it. So yes, definitely, if you want to do the party trick, there you go. Have a cookout, have multiple flavors of alcohol, and impress your friends. So that's going to be it for this one. Like, subscribe, do the internet stuff. See the buy us a coffee link below, and we'll see y'all next time.
Call it a midlife situation, a moon